Hi, and welcome to Scenario, your partner in mental wellness. Here on our channel, we share educational, insightful, and science-backed content to help you understand your mental health and take meaningful steps toward a more balanced life. If you're ready to learn, grow, and take control of your wellness journey, let's jump right in.
Your alarm goes off, you hit snooze again and again. An hour later, you're rushing out the door feeling exhausted, even though you slept 9 hours. If you're sleeping a lot but still waking up tired, the problem might not be sleep quantity, it might be sleep hygiene. Sleep hygiene isn't about cleanliness, it's about daily habits that train your brain and body to fall asleep easier and wake up refreshed. Here are 5 core fixes to stop oversleeping. 1. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. That means waking up at the same time every day. Yes, even on weekends. This regulates your internal clock, making it easier for your body to know when to start and stop the sleep cycle. 2. Get morning light within 30 minutes of waking. Natural light is the strongest signal for your brain to stop producing melatonin. It resets your biological clock for the day, ensuring you feel alert when you're supposed to. 3. Create a 30 to 60-minute wind-down routine. Your brain needs a transition period to signal that the day is over. Avoid blue light from screens, which can delay your sleep onset and leave you feeling groggy the next morning. 4. The caffeine cutoff. Stop consuming caffeine before 2 p.m. It stays in your system much longer than you think. Even if you fall asleep easily, caffeine in your system reduces the quality of your deep sleep, causing you to oversleep. 5. Short naps only. If you must nap, keep it between 10 and 20 minutes and do it before 3 p.m. Anything longer or later can interfere with your nighttime sleep drive, leading to a cycle of oversleeping the next day. Quick test. Which one sounds more like you? Choice A. You stay up late scrolling and hit snooze every morning. Or choice B. You sleep 8 to 9 hours consistently, but still feel overwhelming daytime sleepiness. If you chose A, your rhythm is probably off. If you chose B, there may be an underlying sleep issue. Take the free personalized sleep quiz below to find out exactly what's driving your oversleeping and what to fix first. Better mornings aren't about willpower, they're about rhythm. Fix your sleep hygiene, and your body will start waking up naturally. It's time to reclaim your mornings. Take the quiz now and get your personalized sleep plan. Start your journey to better rest today.
Thank you for watching Scenario. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For personalized mental wellness supplements, visit scenario.com. See you in the next one.